Joe runs gray matter repairs, fixes systems in a room full of LED flares. He's in the basement on the phone when I get there. He says, "You can pull the car around back, I can see you. Don't bother to knock, come in." He waves me over to a corner desk, pushes his glasses up and gets to work on my set. He says, "I've seen a lot worse." I say, "How much is it gonna hurt?" He says, "I've been fixing all my life, rebuilding everything that dies. If it's busted